Well, hey there guys, it's Corinna from Shared Legacy Farms, and in this video I want to talk to you about a new type of water bath canner that I received as a gift a couple of years ago that I absolutely love, and it's an alternative to the traditional water bath canner. So if you have ever canned any kinds of jams or pickled anything, you probably recognize this unit right here. This is the water bath canner that you buy at the store. And the problem with this kind of canner is that it often takes up a lot of space on your stovetop. So I usually have to have a small pot for lids going. I've got this guy heating up, and then I usually have another big pot in the back that has my brine in it, or maybe I'm cooking the jam in that giant pot. And it's just a lot of stuff going on the stovetop. And then I received this present from my Aunt Diane, and it's called the Electric Water Bath Canner and Multi-Cooker, and it's from Ball. And I absolutely love it. This is a unit that does the same thing as this, but I can do it on a countertop. So it plugs into the wall, and it has a little base like this that you put in, and then I'm going to stick my jars inside there when I'm ready to can, and then I'm going to put this on top of the jars, put the lid on, and then I just turn this particular setting over to canning, all the way over to the right, and it heats up the water hot enough to that level where it boils the jars. So I love this unit because it just takes away this issue of lack of stovetop, and it also has a spigot here on the side. So at the end, after I'm done canning, I can just, I can have this sitting on my countertop right next to my stove, and I don't have to worry about burning myself. If I want to get rid of that hot water that's inside that giant canner, I just flick this open and the water pours out. So it's just a really great tool. This is kind of my go-to canner now when it comes to water bath canning, just because I have more space on my stovetop. You can also use this guy for other cooking purposes. So if you want to make soups, or if you want to have a giant pot of pasta, it's really easy to boil that in here. And again, drain the water when you're done. You could stick a lobster in here. It's big enough for a lobster boil. So lots of different ways to use this besides just canning. So check it out. This is from Ball. It's called the Fresh Tech Electric Water Bath Canner. And I'll see if I can get the link and put it in the notes below. And maybe put this in your arsenal if you are a serious canner. I think it's definitely something to look into and have in your equipment.